Hello, welcome back. Now we are going to see the experiment quicksort. Now we have to see the implement quicksort algorithm using recursive method. First, we have to make element as pivot and partition the array on the basis of pivot and apply quicksort on left partition recursively and apply quicksort on right partition recursively. Now we have to do partition. Partition is having the three variables and py equal to al and I equal to l plus l and j equal to h. Now we have to see the true. True is I py and I equal to I plus 1. I equal to I plus 1. While j, we have to see the three variables while. Now j equal to j minus 1 and if I lesser than j, temp equal to a o I equal to aj, j equal to temp, else temp equal to a al equal to aj equal to temp. Return. Now we have to return j. Now we are going to see quicksort. Quicksort also having three variables a comma l comma h. Now if l p index equal to partial, we have to see p index partial three variables a l h. Quicksort a l p index minus 1. Quicksort a comma p index plus 1 h. And we have to see the a. We have to see the a. Define a quicksort function a I and h as argument using if condition. Check if less than h. If yes, the assign p index equal to partial a comma l comma h and call function. If that is a call function, p index equal to partial a l h, that is a call function. Quicksort with al and p index minus 1 as argument and then call function. Quicksort with a comma p index plus 1 and h as argument, else print sorting cannot be done. Ask the user to enter the array size and declare an empty list. And then open a for loop. For a range a, then inside it input in append a, then called quicksort with a comma 0 and then a 2 as argument and print a. Now we have to define a function named partial with a I and h as argument using conditional less than h. If assign p index partial three variables a l h called as quicksort. Now the quicksort having the same a0 then a minus 2. Now print a. Now we are going to see output. We have to type the output 2 1 6 4 3. Then it will be over. That's all about this program. Experiment number 8 quicksort. Thank you.